Hey, my name is Matt Johnson in beautiful, rainy, cloudy New York City. I'm going to take you to the B&H Build Expo and show you the cool, new, exciting, hottest, prettiest, and most craziest camera gear. Come along with me. Made it inside. Here we are. Time to actually get into the show floor and start looking at the good gear. The good stuff. So David Manning here, he sells this everyday carry clip. It's pretty cool. I have 8 of them.
You have 8 of them?
I bought.
You are all the orders.
Yeah, every order you've had, it's been me actually. Just so you know. It's just a mass of people. We're making it though, aren't we? What? Yeah, we are. We're making it. This is insane. Very cool camera to finally see in the flesh. This is the Fuji GFX Eterna. And its claim to fame is it has a screen on this side. And then if you go over here, there's another screen on this side. Crazy stuff. Oh, and it also is a medium format cinema camera. No big deal. Just huge sensor. Gorgeous. And look at the kit lens it comes with. Can you believe this thing is only $500? It's not. I lied. It's like $70,000, okay? But pretty cool. I want to get my hands on one of these and try it out so badly. Ding, 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 ding. One of my favorite people.
Get that camera out of my face.
In the whole world. Really, the secret of all of his success, though, is right here.
Thank you.
That's the real reason.
Hi.
Look at this monopod here. Tribex, it's like a prototype. But you just squeeze the handle right there, up and down, real fast. Look how high it goes. Like I'm like 6'5". If y'all didn't know that in these videos. You didn't know that, but I'm actually 6'5". And this is like 8 feet tall. Look at that, that's crazy. Thoughts on build so far? Quite positive. Because, don't get me wrong, I love shows like NAB, but NAB is just, it's so much. So many rooms and buildings and floors and so many companies to talk to. But with Build, it's like all like the heavy hitters, like the companies that I really wanted to talk to and see. And none of like the fluff of just like some rando company that is making like paper products or something like that. I'm like, oh, I'm here to see camera gear. So, very appreciated overall, very cool. New York is so loud all the time. Did I?
Psych.
Oh, it's flopping. It's flopping. Ah. Oh, so hot. Oh, so good.
Steam off that bite.
So good. Oh.
Hey Matt, eat first me. Ready? 1, 2.
Check this out over here at Wandrd.
That's 21. Okay.
Wandrd's got the new Provoke B4 bag.
31.
So much storage space. A Aegean blue. This looks so nice. I've had multiple Wandrd bags at this point. I've used them for years. Huge fan. Such good quality. Great bags.
Look at that old lens. What?
The density, engaging with
Is this you?
over here at the Crucial Memory booth, and they just rolled out the X10, which is a obscenely fast external SSD, which that's really interesting to me as somebody that is always editing, needing more storage space, etc. Look at this thing. So tiny, up to 8 terabytes of storage in this tiny space. That is wild. So impressive. Just a tiny little device. Very fast too. Pretty impressive. Now, if we're talking about products that I don't need, but that I want very badly, this little guy, smoke machine from PMI. It's just so cool. Can make smoke, can make bubbles, can be a hazer, does it all. Imagine all of my future YouTube videos just hazed up. It'd look incredible. Maybe I do need it actually. Okay, I do need it. And that was the coolest camera gear that I saw at B&H's Build in New York City. Thanks so much for coming along with me. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite. And while you're down there, please consider liking this video, subscribing if you want to see more, and I'll also link to my Edit Videos Like a Pro guide, which is going to show you some of my biggest tips for video editing. It's completely free. You can download it in the video description. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.